Voltive 14.2 Plenum Speaker Wire, the pro's secret to safer, cleaner audio installs. You know that stuck feeling when every tool or wire seems to fight against you. Installers know it too well. Tangled spools, poor copper, or codes breathing down your neck. Sound familiar? Drop your biggest cabling headache below. Because what if the wire you choose could actually make your job easier, faster, and safer, without compromising sound quality for a single beat? We've all felt that creeping stress when the project drags, the pressure builds, and suddenly you're worried the wrong cable will fail inspection. Burnout isn't just about hours. It's about the hidden problems lurking behind walls and ceilings. Imagine if there were a solution built for the worst conditions, but designed to strip clean, pull smooth, and deliver pure audio clarity. The Voltive 14.2 Plenum Speaker Wire isn't just another cable. It's a breakthrough solution for serious pros who demand both safety and sound. With 41-strand oxygen-free copper conductors, it delivers unmatched conductivity and durability, so every note arrives with precision. Forget copper-clad aluminum compromises. This is the real deal. And because it's UL-listed and CL3P plenum-rated, it meets the toughest fire safety codes, making it perfect for schools, hospitals, and high-end commercial spaces. Mini story. One installer shared how the 500-foot pull box with patented winding tech cut install time in half. No tangles, no swearing, just smooth pulls through ceiling plenums. Add in the Ripcord jacket for easy stripping, clear foot markers, and reinforced water-resistant box design, and you've got a product built to save your time on site. Here's a bonus trick. Many pros use this same wire for LED lighting and security systems, doubling its value. Want to know why they trust it over brands costing twice as much? Keep reading. You'll see the hidden advantage. The benefits of Voltive's 14.2 Plenum wire go far beyond just cable. It's about efficiency, focus, and peace of mind. Industry experts call it a game changer for distributed audio systems because the true OFC design maintains signal integrity over long runs. No hum, no interference, just clean sound. Influencers highlight the pull box design, saying it feeds straight every time. No tangles, no wasted minutes, and the waterproof coating keeps the box intact job after job. Users back it up too. One school facility manager said installation was so smooth their electricians finished ahead of schedule, and the cable passed inspection instantly. Another homeowner praised its robust copper, noting, "It feels professional, like it'll last decades inside walls." That's not hype, that's real-world proof. Analysts point to its plenum rating, reminding us this is one of the few wires safe enough to run in HVAC plenums without conduit. So whether it's intercoms, whole home audio, or commercial PA systems, this wire doesn't just perform, it endures. Which feature would save your day most? The clean stripping jacket? The inspection-ready plenum rating? Or the time-saving pull system? Comment below. I'm curious what matters most to you. Here's the deal. This isn't a wire you'll want to wait on. Stock moves fast because pros and homeowners alike are grabbing it for safe, code-compliant installs. Join thousands who've already leveled up their projects with Voltive and feel the difference on your next pull. Don't wait. Secure your box today. And here's a little reward. Click now and unlock the installer's secret. How this wire doubles up for lighting and security, making every foot even more valuable. Why settle for less?